In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Notion. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or simply trying to optimize your workflow, understanding how to establish task dependencies can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure that everything flows smoothly. So let's dive in and explore how you can set up dependencies in Notion with ease. First, we're going to open up your project or task database in Notion. This is your central hub where all your tasks are listed and organized. It's a dynamic space where you can customize and manipulate information to suit your needs. Once you're in your database, the next step is to add a new property. To do this, simply look for the +Add Property option. You'll typically find this at the top of your database, and it's your gateway to expanding the functionality of your workspace. Give it a click. Now, depending on the version of Notion you're using, you might already see an option for dependency as a property type. If it's available, go ahead and select it. This specific type of property is designed to allow you to link tasks together in a way that reflects their relationships and sequences. If for some reason this option isn't available in your current version, don't worry. There might be workarounds or updates that Notion releases to enhance this feature in the future. Once you've added the dependency property, it's time to give it a meaningful name. This is where clarity comes into play. You could name the property blocked by or depends on, depending on how you prefer to organize and interpret the relationships between your tasks. The goal here is to ensure that the name you choose is intuitive and descriptive enough so that anyone viewing your database can easily understand the role of this property. With your dependency property set up and named, the final piece of the puzzle is linking your tasks accordingly. This step involves connecting a task to another task that must be completed before it can begin. It's a straightforward process that involves selecting the task you're currently working on and then using the dependency property to link it to the related task. This linkage ensures that there is a visible connection in your database, reflecting that a particular task is contingent upon the completion of another. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up task dependencies in Notion. This feature is not just about creating connections, but it's also a powerful way to visualize project flows and optimize task management. It's designed to make your workflows smoother and your productivity higher. As you continue to use and explore Notion, these strategies can be the stepping stones to creating a truly tailored and effective workspace. Thank you for watching.